How to fix the Snapchat Save in Chat option not showing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the Save in Chat feature back in Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right. At this point, scroll down and tap on Memories under Additional Services. From there, make sure chat media is not restricted in any way, or turn on Smart Backup. In the next step, make sure Save button is set to either Memories or Memories in Camera Roll so saving is enabled. Once done, go back to a chat and check if the Save in Chat option is now showing. Following this, if it is still not showing, go to your Android settings and tap on Apps. Search for Snapchat and tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. At this stage, go back and tap on Force Stop and confirm. Reopen Snapchat and check if the Save in Chat option has returned. From here, open the Play Store and search for Snapchat at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Snapchat and open a chat to check if the save option is visible now. Finally, if the issue is still there, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Snapchat and check if the Save in Chat option is showing. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Snapchat Save in Chat option not showing, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.